How to convert a set to a list in Python. I am trying to convert a set to a list in Python 2.6. I'm using this syntax. However, I get the following stack trace. How can I fix this?
It is already a list. Do you want something like edit, output of your last comment? I'm wondering if you did something like this.
Instead of. Why not shortcut the process? This will remove the dupes from your list and return a list back to you.
Edited, it seems you earlier have redefined list, using it as a variable name, like this. And you'll get
Simply type. This will turn a set in the form 1,2 into a list in the form 1,2.
If you want to say more, le hace considerar suscribir.